the room and the bathroom this way. Come around. The television. That's how I would say that. Gotta have the music. View. Step outside on the balcony. Alright, I'm gonna start doing that. Oh yeah, you can open it. Oh hell no. That shit far as fuck.
I was like, this shit is nice. Like,
Yeah.
that's what I was like, do you want me to get it for another night? Like,
Oh, this room type. Yeah, this room.
oh yeah. We got a balcony, like, I told you this bitch is
It's just cold. Hell no. Okay. Oh, right. So, right. This is true.
Did you see the bathroom?
Nah, let me walk in there. Okay, I like the bathroom. Walk in, shower. Hold on, let me test it real quick. You got your J's on, and you just wanna. Shh.
Ooh, they got robes in here.
Oh yeah. Definitely need that on. You gonna use all? No, I ain't gonna use the shampoo, but the soap. Sometimes the soaps be good, you know. So we watch some TV, turn on some music. This is the steak y'all had today.
Yeah. It was really good. I just had it's steak and cauliflower mash. Where's the trash can? Don't this feel like a damn apartment? Like when I saw
Right.
the entrance of it, like if this was my apartment, I would be lit.
Hell yeah. This is your apartment probably bigger though, right?
It is bigger.
Yeah.
But you know,
Right.
this is set up is real nice.
Like this is bigger than the studio for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, we got the Bible in there. Wait,
And this view, like, this is the perfect view. Imagine in the morning when the sun comes up.
Well, it's gonna be on that side. Okay.
This view is amazing.
I didn't even look at the food.
I'm gonna get a video real quick.
A what?
A video.
Okay. Oh, it look good.
Yeah, it was real good.
Want me to get a video of you, or you just gonna video it?
No, I'm just videoing the room.
Okay. Well, yeah, probably talk to y'all in a second, but hop in the shower for an hour. Go back and watch my vlogs, man. I've been going out lately. Actually, I've been meaning to tell y'all. Who is it? No, I'm just playing. But anyway, like I was gonna say, man, I had started a job this week. I've been working a full week. Y'all know the workouts, I'm gonna keep doing the workouts. I just been going a little bit slow because I've been training with this company and everything's going well. So I'm about to start this job. Yeah, man, we gonna stay active. So do yourself a favor, man. Do me a favor, stay active. And shit, I'm gonna keep up in this camera everywhere I go, even in the hotels, even when I'm with her. I don't know. I might have to start like a little relationship channel aside my channel, my main channel. Like I said before, I started going like daily. I mentioned that Let me turn this down a little bit. I mentioned that I was gonna start a second channel. I don't know if I still want to do that, but it might help, because I know people is right about the little niche thing. Like, whenever you got a niche, everybody want to watch the same thing over and over and over again. But I'm most active, man. It's a lifestyle vlog also. Like, I also want to put a bunch of stuff on the vlog that people might not like altogether. You know what I'm saying? Like, some people like cars, they don't want to see the relationship shit. So she coming back in the door, man. She's about to hop in the shower. We gonna stay active, man. All right, so we doing a little Valentines weekend, and we in Dallas, and right now we at the Omni
Las Colinas.
Las Colinas. You got that paper with you?
I don't know where I put it. I think I left it downstairs.
Okay.
You got it.
What?
That's all on your face.
For real?
Yeah.
All right. Anyway, we come into the hotel, and there is the pamphlet on the bed, and the Omni is telling us, "Hey, get ready for Valentine's Day with us, and this is what we got going on here at the Omni." So they're telling us what the hotel is doing for Valentine's Day. They doing like spas, and you want to tell them?
Yeah, so basically, they're having Valentine's Day specials. So you get a discount on the spa. It's like a full spa, so you get a massage, get a facial, and they do a champagne toast for y'all. It's a couples thing.
Do you want to talk about price? Can we talk about how much it is?
You want to?
It might change like next year versus this year, but I mean, I think we can tell them.
Well, for that package for 2 people is $375.
For what package?
For the spa package. So it comes with the massages, the facial, and the champagne toast. And it's like a full spa experience. So
without the package, how much is the hotel? Just the hotel without the package?
I think the room was like $230. It wasn't bad. So that's not including taxes or anything. So it probably run you like $250, $270-ish.
And we showed y'all the hotel, and the spa is next door. So whenever we do the spa, we'll show y'all that. And maybe even if we don't do the dinner, I'll run downstairs and show y'all the dinner.
But the room is nice. We got these robes.
Right.
We got this nice view of the balcony, which we need to record in the morning.
Yeah.
So
There's a lot of stuff in this room that we're not even gonna use. There's 2 TVs in the room. There's a whole nother area.
like a living room.
Somebody could sleep on the couch.
Yeah.
Whole little dining.
The shower experience was 10 out of 10.
Yeah, for a fact. Hot water. You can change the shower head to like 10 different settings if you wanted to. Move it left and right, all that good stuff.
Yeah. And then also, if in the Valentine's Day package, if you get a certain package with the room, it comes with a bottle of wine and chocolates. And then you also get a discount at the restaurant downstairs.
That's a different package?
Yeah, it's the same one, but it's a little bit more expensive if you do it that way. It's called the Love and Luxury. When you book your room, just choose the Love and Luxury option. It's a little bit more expensive, but like I said, it comes with the bottle of wine and some chocolates.
Yeah, and everything I will show y'all tomorrow, or whenever we get active with all of that stuff. But this is a vlog that's gonna carry throughout the weekend. And sure, y'all just watch the whole video. Don't skip. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to us, man. It's gonna be vlog after vlog after vlog. Maybe we'll do another holiday for y'all. You never know. So make sure y'all subscribe to the channel.
Yeah.
All right. stay active. All right, so I gotta tell y'all this before I give it to her. I went to the store. Y'all know it's Valentine's Day and we doing a whole vlog thing. I got some flowers, lilies. I think these are favorite flowers. It's not tulips. All right, so she ain't even here. Turns out she is 5 minutes away. So I'm probably just meet her in her car or something. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I ain't thoughtful with the, you know what I'm saying? I got it though, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm just try to get it to her. She asked for flowers, so I think she knows she getting flowers, but I don't know. I was trying to see if that was her pulling up. What should I do? How should I do it? Maybe wait in the car. I'll just wait right here. I was thinking if I should wait there. I think she said tulips. I don't even know if it's lilies or not. I might be wrong. Well, she definitely gonna let me know. Fact. These is not the only flowers I have. I'm gonna just give her these first and then give her more like later. So she think that this is all she got, but she gonna get more and be like, oh yeah. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I don't know. Thought about getting a car, but I ain't like have all the time. It's traffic. And I don't know.
I know.
All right, anyway. We just gonna vlog later, man. So yeah, we headed back to the hotel. I can't really talk right now. She just walking. She was busy. She been running around all day and shit. So I don't know. I'm gonna up the camera in a bit. Show y'all what we got going. I'll be back.
You got roses.
You thought that's all you was getting, huh? Wow. Hold on. So y'all know what's crazy? I just ran into a car meet. We got the Mustangs out here. Look at the design on that. Perfect. Got the beat in there. Hold on. Yeah. Got spaces or something. Like you finna wide body. Go ahead. But yeah, man. I was y'all know, or if y'all don't know, follow the vlog because I'm actually like a car YouTuber, you know what I'm saying? So if I put this vlog on there with the relationship, the whole Valentine thing I got going on, subscribe to the channel because there's definitely a lot of car vlogs going on, mixed with the lifestyle and all of that. Just a minute ago, I saw this Volkswagen burn out. It's kind of fast. But yeah, cars is actually pulling up to this. It's crazy. We in where we at? Irving. I didn't know they had some meets out here, but yeah, man. SRT on the Hellcat, so we'll definitely film that. I think I think I've seen that before somewhere. That one right there, the old school like racing. Carbon fiber hood. I'm not gonna stay for long. She actually just went to pick up the food because I think the food wasn't ready yet. So she went to pick up the food and grab something to drink. Wow, because I seen this and immediately pulled over. She was like, I know you want to go. So she went and got food, man, and we're probably gonna take off here in a minute. But I'll get the cars that is here, and then shit, try to come back out later. I ain't been to a car meet in a long ass time, so you know, it's cool to pop out every once in a while or spot something that's unexpected like this. Oh yeah, this is clean right here. I think I've seen him before. He watched YouTubers and everything. I think I seen him at a Quick Trip. If it wasn't him, it's like one of these guys right here in this group. So I'm definitely gonna follow him on Instagram. Yeah, this is dope right here. But it's been like 5 minutes. Oh yeah. All right, let me go down this little line over here. Yeah, man. There's a lot of Mustangs out today. Look like the bike's about to start coming out. It's cold, man. It was warming up earlier today, but right now it is cold. Another one in the group right here. Yeah, we're gonna I'm gonna follow him and see where I can usually catch these meets at. Oh yeah, these some nice cars wiping it down right here. Yeah. Oh my bad, I'm sorry. People away right now. Oh yeah. There's some on the other side, man, but I'm about to get some some of these shots for y'all, some of these visuals you already know, then I'm gonna probably take off. So yeah, I'll be back. Yeah, man, as you can see, it's a bunch of cars out here. Where'd she go? Where you going? But yeah, shit, the law's even up here. That's why I shouldn't even gave up. Man, where's she going? Oh, she was gonna park right here by the laws. That's what she, come on, man. Who doing that? No, I'm just playing. Man, you good? Yeah. Alright. Yeah, man, we out.
I have 1 night a week.
Yeah. You finna go down? Alright, let me know. But yeah, we in the room. Let me start turning on some lights in here, man. Yeah, we in. Yeah, man, this is the bathroom. It's just, I'm not.
Oh, this one has a tub though.
Oh, right.
Does the other one have
No. This is just this one.
Oh yeah, the other one has the vanity in there.
All right.
So, keep or no?
I can fit that too.
It's little?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be right.
All right. So yeah, they got a tub now. The walk-in shower is not as big because they substituted that space for the tub. Yeah, I didn't know. You know, they came like this too, so they gave us a little bit of. We're starting to see a little bit of everything. What the rooms look like, the layouts. Yeah, the rows, we wore the rows last time. So that's cool. The room, should I start over? Where's the lamp? Let's turn on some more lights. I don't know how to turn it on. Oh, there it is. Turn on this one. I'm doing all this, but we probably finna get a different room. They told us if we want a different room to just let them know. So y'all even, I don't know, I feel like they nice about that. Like they said if it's not booked or getting cleaned, you know, then we can get the room, the same room we had last time. Lady said just ask, and that's what she's gonna go do. She's gonna go ask and see if we can get their room. But this is the room they put us in until we can kind of figure that out. So you come this way, or you can go this way. So I'll give y'all kind of a look. You know, if we don't go that way, we can go this way. That's the bathroom. Boom. Come into the room. And that's the other way, right? I just look from over there. But yeah. And then you get to lay down in the bed. Watch the TV. Look over there. Look over there. This lamp is kind of cool. It's like, it's not just on and off. You can dim it to wherever you want to. You want it that low, or you get like a little bit. that high, or you want it all the way just bright. Right now, we're just gonna keep it a little low. They got the accent chairs in here. Floor lamp right there, the artwork. Like I was saying, man, you can sit on the couch right here, and there is another TV. So just plop down, boom, right there. Then we can look over there. All that good stuff. Yeah, hopefully she get this room. She told me that I'll let her explain it, but she told me we got a drink voucher. Maybe because it's Valentine's Day, I don't know if they did that. Because we stayed a couple of times. I don't know, but yeah, so at the bar, I gotta read that voucher, but she said we got free drinks at the bar. I don't even know what that means. That means everybody ain't getting this voucher. I know that's what that means. Cause then I don't know, or maybe it's just today, you know what I'm saying? They select a few rooms, and if you get that room, you know, maybe she come back and she like, hey, if we change rooms, we can't get the voucher, then that'll make sense. So let's just see, man. Right now I'm about to hop in the shower. She already took a shower and everything, so she gonna be waiting on me. Well, actually, I gotta wait on her, cause she gonna see if we can get the other room. And if we do, I don't want to take a shower here, because then they're going to be like, you know what I'm saying? We got to keep it. But yeah. Oh, you got to turn this knob down here. It's like a little knob instead of at the top, like that. So anyway, it was on the 6th floor, right? But then she was like, oh. You know what I'm saying? We ain't really got a view. We viewing the parking lot right now. And it was like, all right, you can either take the 5th, or you can take the 24th. You know, we said. That shit too scary. You can't be walking behind me out there. Oh, we got a tub though. All right, so the bathroom is kind of similar, you know what I'm saying? I kind of get the point, man, what they got going on in the rooms, the couch, 2 TVs. We about to eat, man. Then we gonna go downstairs, shoot downstairs. And yeah, all that other good stuff. All right, yeah, man. I'm gonna have to get back with y'all. Yeah, so we got the room. I'm headed downstairs right now. You know, I think that elevator gonna open up. Is this one? What up? What's up? You going down? For sure. You been here before? Yeah, you like it?
Yeah, bro. It's a vibe.
Right.
Especially when you're on like an upper floor with a bathroom.
Yep. Right on.
Mm-hmm.
I fuck with it.
This your first time at this one?
Yeah, first time. I'm about to go downstairs and see kind of what they got going on.
The little bar area cool too now.
Yeah, when I was walking in, it was hella people though. So.
Yeah. It's Valentines, bro. So you know everybody got their reservations and shit on the big one.
Right. Go ahead. Private event. See, that's kind of where they do the event stuff right there. You see everybody. I mean, y'all can see, but okay. So the bar area over here to my left. You know, everybody take pictures. You know, I'm gonna just go to the car real quick, grab my shoes, grab some deodorant, and then head to the bar to get this use this voucher. So. Oh, there's the lake right there, the water. Y'all don't know where I'm at in the hotel, but I'm right like at the front. These doors take you to the garage. And yeah, man. I'll try to make it seem, you know what I'm saying, as close as possible to virtual, you know what I'm saying, my point of view. But yeah, I just didn't want to. Hold on. Yeah, boom. Get to the lake, then you come over here to the right, to the front. You would drop there through the garage, boom. Grab your little ticket right there. Tie my shoe up. No, my shoe's looking. I'm looking like I was in my rush, which I was. You know. But everybody ain't gotta know that. They just need to know I'm right on time. Always. Okay, little lounge area. They didn't show this part, but yeah, you can't see through to the other side. It's around the other side like that, but boom, there you guys TV. So yeah, they got like a little convenience store right there. I didn't put it on the camera because I'm trying to figure out how to get outside. But you know, just kind of trying to let y'all know what they got out here. She told me to follow the stairs, go around back. Kind of want to show y'all outside since I'm walking around. And when I get upstairs, no telling what she got going on. So probably ain't gonna be vlogging, man. What is this? I like this. You know what I'm saying? A little nice. It's quiet in here. Okay. Now I'm gonna go around back. Okay. Lounge area. When it's warm out, that's nice. You know, chill with the whole group, just in case you're on vacation. Got the high chairs out here. Little turf. What is this? Yeah. The picnic tables over there. Oh, with the water view. And then we're gonna head to the pool. Workout room. Ooh, gotta hit that in the morning. You already know. Definitely gonna use the key and get in there later. Boom. We got the lawn chairs over there just in case you wanna pop a squat. Yeah. Damn it. Yeah, they got a nice weight room. I'm trying to get Valentines Day, ain't nobody in there. That ain't the workout they want right now. Yeah, man, it's a nice place. It looks like this would be a bar. They covered the TV, of course. Got an outside bar. Probably serve food. Now I'm coming up on the separate spot. like this location though. All right, I'm headed back up to the room. Yeah, they got music playing. It was a lot more people in the lobby earlier. Like, all these chairs was full basically. All these chairs y'all see, full. So, next Valentine's Day, y'all can show y'all pretty faces in here, sitting in these excellent chairs. I'm going up to the room until tomorrow, or until we do something else on the vlog. I'll probably vlog in the room. We got a couple games and stuff, but right now, y'all just make sure y'all stay active, man. Well, this morning time, we got the curtain closed over there, but this is apparently they left on the bed for us. What we got here. If y'all want to pause, you know, y'all can read that out. That is where I was last night. You can see that. And that's the restaurant. Hours and all of that. So yeah, we was just trying to get breakfast right now. Got a little wait. Everybody's ordering food. They also got the spa. The spa is not in the hotel though. It's next door. So it is very close, but it's like a minute walk. Well, yeah, pause the video. You can look at all of that, what they got on the back. The hotel amenities. We saw all of that last night. See, there's the spa, the fitness center. You know. Yep, and they got all of that. Then go online, you can see their menu. I think last night I got to the restaurant kind of late, so it was closed and everything else was closed. But when we first got here, there was a lot of people downstairs. I just happened to take a shower and do everything that I had to do before I went downstairs. So it looked closed, or but there was an event downstairs, I believe, and the hotel was open, or the restaurant was open. So yeah, let me show y'all outside. Ooh.